Okay, guys, quick update for Bitcoin. So, listen, I get it. You know, a lot of people are saying, you were wrong. Your predictions sucked. I understand why you're saying that. I think that this is a bear trap for Bitcoin, and I think it was a bull trap for the DXY. I still stick by my analysis that we're going to get a pump and that the DXY is going to continue dropping. This is market makers wanting you to short, expect more downside before we have more upside. This is for the indices as well. So I'm going to give you key support and resistance levels. If it continue dropping, I'll show you the next point. I'll go in and long. So this is a previous video I put up. I was talking about the DXY as well as your key support level here at 19,500. I put a link up this video now if you want to check it out. So guys, I do keep you updated on Discord and Twitter. Maybe you can access all these live charts on the website pinned in the first comment description. My big affiliate links also pinned in the first comment description as well. So 17 hours ago, I said, what kind of video is this? I'm long, guys. So I told everyone I was long. This A1 chart called the top up here at 22,410. This is where we all shorted, and we found support here. So I entered my long with a stop at 19,200. Now it did push up. I did not take profit. I had my stop just below. It did come back down. I got stopped out. But I just want to show you that I had three charts. The A1 chart here, we found support. We pushed up a total of, that was 4.36%. So the A1 chart found support. This is the G1 chart. It also found support right here at 19. That was literally to the tick. We pushed up. So I mean, it was a great long entry. If you got out and took profit, you did well. Again, I stayed in and got stopped out. That was, it was 4.44%. This was the C1 chart. Again, a lot of charts in confluence. That's why, I entered along there. 4.51%. So we did push up. The CPI data came out. It was hot, and the DXY got a little pump, and Bitcoin got a drop, as well as the markets. They came down too. The Dow Jones. So guys, I would like to point out the last time they released the CPI data, we had a pump and then we had a dump. This time we got a dump followed by a pump. So I think this is, again, nothing more than a bear trap, and the DXY was a bull trap. I would like to point out this is the H1 chart. Notice we hit this to the tick and pushed up. Again, we found support. So your critical support right now to watch is right here at let's just say 18,882. If that breaks, obviously have more downside. In the meantime, your resistance just above is 19,863. Now, getting onto the DXY. So again, that video that I just linked at the beginning of this one, this is where I was covering the this DXY chart with this fib circle. This is 4 minutes 51 seconds in. I was saying that I believe that this is a top for the DXY to come down. Notice this previous ring we came down. So this is the actual chart. You notice that after the CPI data came out, we pushed up a total of, on the DXY, pushed up around 0.30%. Well, I would like to point out, while a lot of people are saying I'm wrong and that the DXY is not going to come down, I still believe I will be vindicated and it will come down. I would like to point out the previous ring, guys, we pushed up, this was 0.40%. We have not even pushed up that much above this ring yet. We've only pushed up 33%? And the 0.40 is up here around 108.65. So again, I still believe the DXY will come down. Again, the DXY was a bull trap. And again, your next likely support level will be the top of this rising wedge, which is potentially down here of 106. So I still believe we could have some upside for Bitcoin and some downside for the DXY. Now, if the DXY, if we get a daily close above 108 and we push higher, I was wrong. This analysis is busted. But in the meantime, you can see we're still teetering at this ring. I still believe that this will come down and Bitcoin will get a pump. Market makers want to take your money. That's how it works. So if we do drop, I'm going to tell you right now, I do not expect this to happen. But if we do, your next key support level below is right here, 18,027. That would be a likely point to enter a long. Remember, that is the line, the very same line we topped out up here at 66,800 right here. This line's been like a magnet. Price has been moving down. And do not forget, guys, while I'm saying, yes, there's going to be bear traps and bull traps, I'm still calling for around 16,500 early August. All right, so I'm saying we could get a hell of a pump, but I'm still expecting more downside. And I'm also calling for around 10,000 early September, late August. So don't get me wrong if I'm saying potentially we could have a pump. I still believe we had a lot of downside. But again, market makers want to trick you. And you can see we're already pushing up from this point now. So guys, let me give you your key support and resistance levels real quick. So obviously this chart was just for finding this top and this bottom. Let's see here. So look, your support level right now, your support on the G1 chart is right here at 19,160. Your next resistance to watch is 19,616. Your next resistance above that is 19,933. This is the C1 chart. Current support is 19,176. Your next key resistance level above is up here around 20,039. Remember what I said, guys. If we do push up and hold above 19,005, well, let's just say 19,600, that will be bullish. So if we push up and we hold support here at 19,600, that would be a likely point to enter long and expect more upside. Obviously, this only would apply if the indices start pushing up and DXY starts dropping. But again, I still think this was a bear trap. I do think we'll probably have some more upside. Guys, if you do want to see what's on it for Bitget, my affiliate link's pinned in the first comment description. And I do have a tutorial teaching how to do simulator trades, give you $3,000 worth of SUSDT fake money so you can practice swing longing and shorting, seeing how well you would do. I'll put a link to the video now if you want to check it out. And you can access all these live charts from the website pinned in the first comment description. I have stocks, tutorials teaching my method of charting. And for $49 a month, you get access to Bitcoin charts, altcoin charts, Discord, and Twitter. Guys, that's it. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.